The wind is from 280 to 295, 10 knots, gusting to 15 knots. So it'll tell you wind direction, course, and speed, like very accurate. And that can change where you want to set up fishing. So if you know that it's 090 coming directly from the east, you might want to fish like in Florida, that's like straight coming at the beach. You might want to fish on the inlet or a backside of an inlet inside a channel where it's wind protected. Okay, now let's talk about where to cast out here. All right, structure is important, and this is called reading the beach. Your old-timer fishermen are really good at this, not so much young people. And when I say structure on the beach, it's different than structure when you're fishing like inshore. Structure on the surf is changes in the sand, okay, and then depth of the water. So what I'm looking for when I come out on the beach is riptides and runouts. Those are the two easiest ones to see. The way that the waves are made on the beach is the wind is pushing in the water, and then ground swells from way out in the ocean are pushing the water up in. And then when they hit the sandbars, the water hits it and pushes it up, and that's what makes the wave crest. Okay, so to find a rip current, that's the water that's getting sucked out. What you want to look for is not waves. Okay, like here's one right now. You can see wave, 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 and then there's a wave on that side, and then there's a hole right there. Okay, that's a rip